What's going on? So today we got a video from behind the mugshot, and the title of the video is "Rich Girl Hits Cop Car Instantly Regrets It." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they're talking about.
I guess I wasn't paying attention.
Got backup camera and everything on that thing, man.
I wasn't. I was paying attention.
Who's writing that crash report?
Jay's over there.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you doing?
I'm finding yourself.
What's your first name? Okay. There's an officer bar. He's sworn, obviously. These officers called me here because they're concerned maybe you had something to drink tonight.
That was probably maybe more than 2 hours ago.
Oh, was it?
Yes.
What did you have?
I took maybe half a beer.
That was it?
That was it.
Okay. Are you on any medication? or anything
No,
like that?
sir.
Okay.
Come on, you can look at her eyes. Her eyes is giving it right away.
Do you mind stepping out for me?
Yep.
Come on over here.
Her eyes is like lazy.
Do you have
tired.
anything like physically wrong with you? Like
Nope.
any injuries? Anything
Nope.
wrong with like your legs, your back, your knees?
Nope.
No. And you said you're not on any medications
No,
right
sir.
now? That's perfectly healthy then.
I'm healthy. I have anxiety, but besides that, I'm good.
You on medication for that?
Not tonight. I only take it when needed.
Okay. Do you wear contacts?
I wear glasses.
All right. Can you stand with your feet together like this, arms down at your side? What I'd like to do is begin by checking your eyes as part of some field sobriety
fine.
exercises. Okay. You see the red light here in front of you?
Absolutely.
Catwoman outfit.
What I want you to do
boy.
is follow that light with your eyes, keeping your head still as I move that light back and forth, okay? Keep your head still. Okay. There's a couple other exercises I'd like you to do, okay? You willing to do this for me?
Absolutely.
All right. Come on down here. So we'll use this white line right here as a line to walk down.
Okay.
I'm going to give you some instructions. I'll show you how to do it.
Okay.
And then after I do all of that, you can ask questions, okay? I just prefer you don't ask questions while I'm giving the instructions because it's kind of hard for me to stop, all right? So while I'm doing all of that, what I would like you to do is stand with your left foot at the very beginning of the line. Then take your right foot, place it in front of your left foot so it touches heel to toe.
Ooh-wee! Oh my God. Yo, this is for my fellas right here. This is for my fellas. If you know, you know.
Instructions because it's kind of hard for me to stop, all right? So while I'm doing all of that, what I would like you to do is stand with your left foot at the very beginning of the line. Then take your right foot, place it in front of your left foot so it touches heel to toe. Make sure both feet are on the line and one directly in front of the other. Place your arms to your side. Now don't begin walking until I tell you to start, okay?
Okay.
So when I tell you to, I want you to take 9 heel to toe steps, counting your steps out loud as you walk down the line.
Okay.
Turn around and then walk back down the line. 9 heel to toe steps, counting your steps out loud.
Okay.
So your first step will be number 1, and each step needs to be heel to toe like this. 1, 2, 3, and so on until you get to 9.
Okay.
On your 9th step, I want you to leave your front foot on the line. Remove only your back foot, taking a series of small steps to complete a turn, just like this. And then you walk back down the line, 9 heel to toe steps, counting your steps out loud. 1, 2, 3, and so on until you get to 9.
Okay, so straight down, slowly turn, come down.
Exactly.
Count out loud.
Exactly. So,
Is this one or is the next one?
so your first step will be number 1.
This one?
Your first step will be number 1.
Okay.
Okay? So while you do this, I'd like you to look at your feet as you walk, count your steps out loud, keeping your arms down to your side just like this. Don't stop walking until you've completely finished this.
Okay.
Okay? Do you have any other questions?
No. Straight down, slow turn, back to you, no questions.
Okay. You can begin then if you understand.
1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9. Slowly turn. Boom. 1, 2, 3.
God damn!
Okay. Next.
Yo, I know she messed up. But I know she messed up. You know, but she didn't do that bad. There's people that do way worse. Man, I'm gonna run it back one more time for my fellas, though. Ladies, this is fellas night right now. This is for the fellas. You feel me? But nah, I love my ladies though. But hey, look, guys, I'm looking out for the guys on this one. I ain't gonna lie.
3, 4, 8, 9. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9.
Okay. Next, what I want you to do is stand with your feet together, arms down to your side. You can forget about this line. We're not going to use it, okay?
Okay.
I don't want you to do anything until I tell you right now, okay? I'm just going to show you how to do this and explain everything.
Okay.
So when I tell you to, I want you to raise one leg. Doesn't matter which one. I'm going to raise my left leg just because that's what I like to do. Raise it so it's about 6 inches off of the ground. Point your toe straight out. Look at that foot and count out loud. 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until I tell you to stop, okay? Make sure you keep both legs straight. Don't bend them at the knee. And if you put your foot down, just pick it back up and continue counting from where you left off.
You want me to balance right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that a problem?
No, we're working out.
Well, you see me doing it.
You're a cop.
Doesn't mean anything.
Let's do it.
All right.
All right.
Do you have any questions on how to do it?
No, you just told me raise the leg so you count. If I put my leg down, stop. So you tell me keep counting.
Well, if you put your foot down, I want you to pick it back up and continue counting from where you left off, and you do that all on your own. Okay.
Okay. 1001. You want me to count by 1,000?
Yeah, 1001, 1002,
Okay.
etc. Yep. Any other questions?
Nope.
Okay. And begin when you're ready.
Okay. 1001.
Make sure you're looking at your foot.
1003. 1000.
Make sure you're looking at your foot.
1013, 1014, 1018, 1019.
All right, you can stop. Go ahead and put your foot down.
She didn't do that bad.
Put your arms
She
behind your back.
failed, but she didn't do that bad though. She drunk, but she not that bad.
What am I doing with people?
DUI.
For what?
Driving under the influence. Do you have anything?
Literally just when you told me to do.
Well, you did the exercises. You just didn't perform them how I asked you to. There's a lot of clues of impairment that I observed during that. It leads me to believe you've been drinking a lot more than you're telling me. When we get down to the jail, I am going to ask you to do a breath test. Are you willing to do that?
Nope.
All right, come on. You don't have anything hidden on you, do you?
No, please.
Okay. Do you carry anything? Do you carry anything in your top? Any
No,
cash?
please.
Okay, just making sure.
There was not. Y'all are driving. But okay.
Just stand right here. Just face the car.
Man, she
Come relax your
definitely
arms. Just
drunk.
get searching. Just like okay.
No, there's really nothing up there.
I know. We got to make sure.
No, don't impound my car. There's people in there that
Yeah,
can
we
drive
have-
it.
we
No,
have to.
don't
If the
do
car
that.
is in your name, we don't have a choice.
But I have
We have
people
policy.
in there. I don't even live over here. Like,
I'm trying to explain
that
to you.
was a whole accident.
Do you want to hear what I have to say or
No,
not?
because
Okay,
why
then-
you want to impound my car for what?
Okay.
Like, there's people in the car that can literally take my car where it needs to go. Like, you guys are being extra. I barely even bumped that damn car. I've been more than
Okay, come on back here.
respectful. No, because I've been more than respectful. And
You have. I appreciate that.
I don't know, but can we talk?
Yeah, we can.
No.
Well, you said you didn't want to hear what I had to say.
Well, then let's listen to it because there's no way I don't even live over here, and
Okay,
you're
have a
gonna have them impound my car.
We have to by our policy.
But
we
there's
can't release.
people here.
I'm trying to tell you. I'm trying to tell
And
you
there's
something.
no.
Have a seat. You don't want to listen to me.
I'm
So
not. Girlfriend.
don't get an attitude.
I
Get away
have
from
an
me, okay?
attitude. No, because you know what?
Have
I've
a
been.
seat. Sit in. Sit
No,
in the car.
I've been being-
Sit in the car. Or
I'm
I'm
in
gonna
the
put
car.
you. Sit in the car, or I'm gonna put you in the car.
I'm sitting in the car.
No,
And
in
I'm
the
trying to
seat.
have a
In the
conversation.
seat.
No, I'm trying to have.
Stand up. We're gonna put you in this car if you don't listen.
Attention on the charge.
For what?
Battery.
Battery for what? I haven't touched none of you guys.
your
So
leg
I
out.
can't.
She's fine.
Touched none of you guys.
Oh, if you would, yeah, you're not gonna be able to talk to her right now because she's not.
Date of birth?
She's not cooperative with us, so I'm nothing against you,
No,
but
yeah, I understand.
I just don't want her to get hyped up again. Okay. Whoever had contact with her or whatever, just do a supplement for me, please, on the report. Thank you. You're welcome.
I can understand her frustration, honestly, you know, because I feel like we've seen, I mean, every policy every police department is probably different. You know what I mean? Every policy is probably different. But we've seen in other cases where if the passenger or whatever was sober enough, they might have them do like maybe a breath sample or whatever and let them, if they good to go, then they could drive. You know what I mean? They could drive the car to wherever. Or sometimes instead of impounding it, can I call somebody real quick? They're like 5 minutes away. So we've seen cases where other people could take the car. You know what I'm saying? Like, because now everybody got to find a ride, if you're going to impound it. And I see she was respectful, you know what I'm saying? Until she ain't get her way, and then that little, the little spicy attitude came out. But hey, sometimes I like that, you know what I mean? But nah, not in this case though. But anyway, yeah, she damn, that's crazy. She is drunk though. She's definitely drunk.
What's that?
Where's my car getting to? So I can have somebody pick it up.
I don't know yet. I'll write it down for you as soon as they send me the info. You'll have a bond.
Did they give you my purse?
Yeah.
Fantastic. Can I call my attorney?
Yeah, when you get inside, you can.
Fantastic.
Yeah. So I know you said you didn't want to take the breath test.
I'm not going to.
All right. I do have to read you something by law. Okay. So if you refuse to take the test I've requested of you, your driving privilege will be suspended for a period of 1 year for a first refusal, or 18 months if your driving privilege has been previously suspended for refusing to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood.
23.
So the second portion of this is, additionally, if you refuse to take the test I've requested of you, and if your driving privilege has been previously suspended for a refusal to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood, you will be committing a misdemeanor, in addition to any other penalties which can be imposed by law. So refusing to submit to testing is admissible as evidence in a criminal proceeding. Okay, you understand your license? You understand your license is going to be suspended for a year. Okay.
Cop was doing good. He kept it professional. I ain't gonna lie.
Would just stand right here for me.
She got the Jordans on.
All right, see the doors right here to your right. We'll walk it right there. I've got it. I didn't bring your own purse. All your credit card and stuff like that. Got your cash too. We don't leave that kind of stuff in the car.
Legs? No, I'm trying to have.
Stand up. We're gonna put you in this car if you don't listen.
For this case, she was charged with driving under the influence, with a bond of $500, and resisting officer without violence. According to court records, there is currently a warrant out for her arrest for failure to appear. Back in 2022, she was charged with child abuse. In 2018, she was charged with battery. And with records reaching back to 2015, she was charged with burglary of a conveyance and operating with a suspended driver's license, with a bond of $500.
Get the hell out of here. You could tell she do got a little attitude. She do got that feistiness in her. So I'm not surprised that she do have, battery, burglary. Like, I'm not surprised. I mean, child abuse, I'm kind of a little surprised. I ain't gonna lie. I'm a little surprised on that one. But, she do got a little, she could get aggressive. You know what I'm saying? Remind me remind me of like the New York joints. You feel me? She could get on that. You feel me? But, damn. Come on, failure to appear. Now you got a warrant. Come on. Damn, she fucking up. I ain't gonna lie. She is definitely fucking up. She tough, though. She look, oh my God. Did you see the body for the fellas? I had to run it back for the guys. You feel me? I know the guys. Y'all gonna hit me on Instagram, whatever. Y'all gonna be like, yeah, you did your thing on that one. Yeah, listen. Sometimes I gotta look out for the fellas, you know what I mean? But anyway, yeah. So I think the cops definitely kept it pretty professional, and they did their thing, man. So I give them a 3 out of 5. How well do you think the cops did? And let me know in the comment section, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. Bow. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you. No FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.